Do you love animals, like adorable week-old kittens? And fluffy chickens? Of course you do. How about sea turtles? Who doesn't, right? Now, I'm sure I don't need to tell you about plastic waste in the ocean. We've all seen WALL-E, we know how this story ends. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if we could prevent ourselves from being buried under mountains of waste and actually make use of it? That's where I come in. Hi, I'm Kayla with McNerdy Makes, and I make things out of garbage. But this isn't your average upcycle a water bottle kind of crafts. I specialize in, shall we say, larger than life creations on a budget. And they all typically have a geeky twist, cause nerds rule. Like the life-size replica of the Iron Throne from Game of Thrones, made from 100 pounds of recycled newspaper. Or the Sword in the Stone, made from melted beer cans and plastic. For the past 2 years, I've been documenting the process of everything I make on YouTube. And I'm having so much fun pouring my heart and soul into all of my projects. I can't wait to continue to show everyone what I can make from shit I find in a dumpster.
Dude, you haven't posted a video in weeks.
Yeah, I know. I'm still getting settled after the move. After I spent months renovating a room in my old house into a medieval castle using only hand tools. Just to literally pack it all up and leave, but whatever. I'm not bitter, you're bitter. So anyway, let's take a trip out to the new workspace and I'll show you where I've been spending all of my time instead of editing videos of new projects. Did someone say new project? All right, so this is the barn I'll be working in. It's in dire need of some repairs, so that'll be my project for the summer. Excuse the mess too, I'm getting it cleaned up, so it's gonna take some time. Imagine a long workbench right here underneath these sunny windows. And a big, huge medieval feast table here to live out my wildest D&D fantasies. Big chandelier coming down from the ceiling. There is absolutely no way you're gonna be able to get any of this done. Any of it. You know, one of these days, y'all are gonna learn to stop doubting me. Yeah, give me a reason to, and I will. You shush. This is gonna be the most epic medieval tavern workshop thing that ever existed. Yeah, I'm crunching the numbers here with the roof repairs and with a budget of, let's see, carry the 1 times 2, $0. I think you're screwed. What? Look, I can get this done with a $0 budget, like I do with most of my projects. It's just gonna take me a lot longer and the repairs definitely won't be ideal. But a few weeks ago, I entered a DIY maker contest. The winner gets $25,000 and a 2-page spread in Make magazine. That prize money would really help me do the roof repairs properly. It'll also help fund some equipment so I can start making things on a larger scale and generate some revenue. I wanna show the world that recycling facilities are worth the investment. And there's so many amazing things that can be made from this basically free resource. But I could use your help getting there, if you're willing, and it doesn't cost anything, I promise. You can vote in the contest daily for free on the DIY Maker website. Or you can share this video to help spread the word about what I'm trying to do. Links will be wherever links go. You got this, I believe in you. But as of the filming of this video, I'm currently in 4th place, and I'm absolutely floored by the continued love and support from all of you. I'm really hoping to do well in this contest, but if it doesn't end with a prize of $25,000, that's not gonna stop me. I've got so many plans and dreams that I can't wait to show everyone, and my goal of saving 1 ton of waste from the landfill is climbing. So far, over the last 2 years, I've managed to save 738 pounds of waste from the landfill. And the next goal will be 2, and then 3. And after that, I'm gonna keep raising the bar and keep fighting to make this world a more beautiful place. I'm hoping you'll come along on this ride with me because it's gonna be a good one. Guess I'll catch y'all on the flip side.
Dude, no. Just no.